How's it going, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we have the MAINSTAYS mesh back office chair. We're going to get it unboxed, assembled, and check it out. First thing we're going to do is turn the base upside down and put the wheels on. Next, we're going to insert the gas lift into the center of the base. Now we're going to align the seat plate over the pre-drilled holes under the seat cushion with the front of the seat plate facing the front of the seat cushion, and attach the seat plate to the seat using 4 A1 bolts. Next, we're going to attach the back cushion to the bottom of the seat cushion with 4 A2 bolts. Now we'll turn the assembled chair upright and place it onto the gas lift. Then to secure the chair to the gas lift, you can just sit down on the chair. Underneath the right side of the chair, you can lift the handle to lower or raise the seat height. Overall, this is a really nice budget chair. The mesh back is comfortable, and the seat cushion feels pretty good for a chair in this price range. It doesn't have any armrests, but other than that, I think it's a good chair for the price. I picked this chair up from Walmart, and if you want to check it out, I'll leave the Walmart link in the description.